in meteorologist Freddy Vela right now. I am still sad that your AC does not work in your car, but there was a kind of a nice, I know it was hot today.
It was very hot.
Yeah, there was a little breeze in the morning, which was nice.
Yeah.
And we're just, gonna endure this in Texas.
As someone who's driving around in 100-degree weather with
know.
windows down, did you see me rolling down Mopac with someone rolling down? Yeah, it's probably me. Hey, the other thing we've been dealing with is the Saharan dust, unfortunately, and it has come back in full force. Take a look. This is what we're dealing with right now. You can actually see that we do have some of the dust that's still moving through the air. And in fact, as I play this out throughout tomorrow and into Friday, you get a little bit of relief here, but you have more dust that's expected to flow back in. Now, notice the plumes aren't as thick and we don't have as much coming through. And that's because we're starting to get to the tail end of when this dust really starts to make its way through. It moves through the trade winds, goes over the Atlantic, and then finally makes its way on here. But as we get to the middle of August, it'll start to fizzle out a bit more, and then we don't get as much. And that's normally when we see tropical activity start to pick up. So this is what happens. You know, it's this massive, dry, dusty air that essentially starts off in Africa, rides through the trade winds, peaks in late July to mid-August, and we get plumes every 3 to 5 days. We haven't had it in a bit, but we're starting to get it right back in. It's about 1 mile above the surface, and this is what it does. What it does essentially is it starts to make its way through. It starts to essentially push from Africa through the Atlantic, and it's picked up, and as it does start to make its way on in, what will happen is that it starts to act as a barrier. Remember, all this warm ocean water, it needs to rise and go up into the atmosphere, and that's how hurricanes are formed. They start to really eat up all that energy, but that dry air just kind of filters in, kind of puts a stop to that. The water doesn't warm up as much. It kind of goes to this dry air and then falls right back down. So we don't get as much of tropical development. Now we mix in an El Nino out there, and that really stops any type of development whatsoever. Here's a look at clouds and radar right now. As you can tell, still pretty dry outside, still pretty clear right now. Rain chances don't pick up again until we at least get to Friday. So let's play this out just a bit. We'll get some cloud coverage early in the morning. Now tomorrow, there's about a 5% chance that you could see a sea breeze shower or two come by. But really, Friday is going to be the better chance that we could see at least a couple of these showers try to make a run for our area. Once you get past I-35 into the west, I don't see too much actually developing. And then a low pressure starts to push through. And that's why our temperatures drop just a bit more as we get into the weekend. Right now, though, we're still at about 92 degrees. I'll play this out throughout the rest of the night. We'll drop to about 88 after 10 p.m. You get to early morning hours down to the 70s. We should drop out to about 77 degrees. But tomorrow is going to be a warm one as we hit 99 degrees once again. So just keep that in mind. Plus, you're going to have to deal with the mugginess outside. All of that together, making it feel like it's much hotter. But as I mentioned, that low pressure system coming by Sunday to Monday, that'll at least help out take our temperatures down to about 96 on Monday.
All right, Freddie.